This is a podcast from the Business Times.
Good evening. It's Thursday, June 25th, 2026. Here's your market-focused daily closing bell update by the Business Times. Shares of chipmakers surged late yesterday, adding over $400 billion in market value after strong forecasts from Micron Technology and Qualcomm breathed fresh life into Wall Street's recently waning AI stock rally. Micron surged 12% in extended trade after forecasting quarterly earnings above analysts' estimates, signaling that heavy investments in AI-related infrastructure will drive strong demand for its memory chips. Asian equities surged today after strong earnings and forecasts from chip giants Micron and Qualcomm helped alleviate some concerns over the red-hot AI rally that has pushed global stocks to record highs. Tech-heavy markets in Japan and South Korea rose sharply after Micron said its customers had committed $22 billion for its memory chips, while Qualcomm anticipates $15 billion in sales from its data center business by 2029. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan was 1.6% higher. Japan's Nikkei rose over 4%, while South Korea's Kospi gained 5.5%, and Taiwan stocks was 0.9% higher. Futures for S&P 500 rose 0.5%, while Nasdaq futures jumped 1.8%. European futures, though, were flat. Investor concern that valuations for AI-related companies have become stretched following years of gains has weighed on markets in recent days, leading to volatile sessions. Also aiding sentiment was announcement from South Korea's SK Hynix yesterday of plans to raise up to $29.5 billion through a secondary listing on Nasdaq to capitalize on unending investor appetite for AI stocks. Shares of SK Hynix and Samsung Electronics have powered the Kospi to record highs through the year, taking the year-to-date gains for the index to 112% and making it the best-performing stock market in the world. Oil prices extended their decline as stranded tankers exited the Strait of Hormuz following an initial accord to end the U.S.-Israeli war with Iran, easing supply concerns. Brent crude futures dipped 1.6% to $72.5 a barrel, erasing all of its gain from the war. The dollar index, which measures the U.S. unit against a basket of currencies, was at 101.6 after reaching 101.8 in the previous session, its highest since May 12, 2025. The strengthening dollar has weighed on gold, which slid below $4,000 an ounce for the first time in 2026. That's it for today. For more business news and market updates, visit bt.sg and Lens on Daily for the latest tomorrow at 10 a.m.
This is a podcast by the Business Times. Find more BT podcasts at businesstimes.com.sg/podcasts or wherever you get your podcasts. This podcast is meant to provide general information only. SPH Media accepts no liability for loss arising from any reliance on the podcast or use of third parties' products and services. Please consult professional advisors for independent advice.